In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Sendwave in Use. If you're in the United States and want a fast, simple way to send money abroad, this walkthrough will take you from installing the app to completing your first transfer with confidence. Start by downloading the Sendwave app from your device's app store. Make sure you're choosing the official app and that your device software is up to date. A stable internet connection helps the app install and run smoothly, and allowing app updates ensures you always have the latest security and features. Open the app and create your account. Select the United States as your region, then enter your basic details and set a strong passcode. If your phone supports it, turning on biometric sign-in adds an extra layer of security and saves time later. You may be prompted to verify your account with a quick code. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep the app open until verification completes. Next, add a payment method. Most US users link a debit card or bank account. Be sure the name and billing address you enter match your bank's records to avoid declines. Some banks may place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card. If you experience any hiccups, double-check the numbers, expiration date, and that your card allows international transactions. You can set one method as default to speed up future transfers. While not always required at the start, verifying your identity inside the app is very helpful. Completing this step can raise your sending limits, reduce the chance of delays, and strengthen account security. Follow the prompts to submit your details in good lighting and ensure everything is clear and readable. Add a recipient by choosing the destination country and the delivery method available there, such as bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Enter the recipient's information exactly as it appears on their account or ID. Spelling matters, so review carefully before saving them to your contact list. You're ready to send money, enter the amount, and review the exchange rate, any fees, and the estimated arrival time shown on screen. Confirm your payment method, add an optional note if you'd like, and then submit. You'll see a confirmation and can track the transfer's progress in the app. If you spot an error immediately, check the transfer details and use in-app support if it's still pending. And that's it. Done. Your recipient will receive the funds based on the delivery method you selected. Keep your digital receipt for your records and remember that future transfers will be even faster with your saved details. Keep the app updated, send only to people you trust, and reach out to support through the app if you ever need help.